Alright, let's just get straight into it. Okay. We're gonna stop everything and lock the fuck in. So, for our trade, we identified this high as a Asia. Let me just take out everything. Yep. So, we mark out previous sessions. So this is Asia's high, another Asia's high, and this was London lows. Sorry, excuse me. Another London lows. But it don't matter, right? We identified that as an hourly high. So we had London lows, London highs, Asia's highs. Asia's highs was already taken out, and we got an hourly high. So those were our draws on liquidity. Same thing with ES. We did not sweep London lows. So what that became SMT. That became an SMT when market opened. So when we come into market, we swept London lows pre-market open, and we mark out market open, which is 130 for New Zealand, and we wait for break of structure. So we sweep, wait for break of structure. We're gonna move up and a move down candle. The highest point of it is the break of structure. Some people might say it's not, some people might say this is break of structure, this is break of structure. This is my knowledge, this is what I know, so whatever it is, good on you. But yeah, we got break of structure, this became our order block, break of block, and we got a fair value gap. Got a fair value gap in there, and we also put out a equilibrium chart plus a 79 extension. So the only thing that did go according to plan was break of structure, 79 extension, sweep, SMT. Those were the only confluences we had for this long position. So yeah, we broke structure here. We did not get equilibrium. We did not come back into this fair value gap, and we did not come back into this order bar. We came back in here, but I didn't catch that because it was just this. So I didn't catch that. So these two candles was that move. Was this one move. So since in my state of mind, we knew that we broke structure and we swept liquidity, we got SMT, we're gonna go up. Taking trades here won't make sense because this London high was there, and we also had good draws on liquidity on ES. So let me just show you what those draws on liquidity were. So we had this, this, those, and that's it. But I was still looking for longs. Oh my goodness, it looks like we would. Okay. Anyways, lock the fuck in. So yeah, we broke structure, and we didn't get any other confluences, and I don't want to enter off a break of structure because if we did, look at that risk management. Like, where are you supposed? You're gonna have to put it down here, but that is crazy. That is 52 points of stop loss. So I'm not gonna do that. So we wait for a break of structure. Do we get a break of structure? No. We don't get a break of structure until this move. That move right there. We'll take out this high because we already took it out. We take out this London because we already took it out. We get a break of structure here. And we broke structure on a 1 minute as well. So we entered right here because I was saying that if we broke 1 minute structure, we should be moving up to break the 5 minute structure. So I try to get the tightest, the tightest, the tightest stop loss. So I put it below this candle that made this gap. This one here. Because that would be the only thing protecting me if my stops were there. And yeah, we entered, aim for this high. We made this 1 minute high as our break even point. So I entered with 2 cons on this. And once we came up, we didn't sweep it yet. So it came back down and we went back up. Once we swept it, I put my stops. So one stops was above this body body from that candle, and the other stops was just below that body. So right there. So one stops was here, one stops was here, and yeah. So we nearly got stopped out here after sweeping their break off a break even point, and then we pushed back up. We came and swept out these liquidities, and then we stopped both of it out. And yeah, if I was to leave my stops, this is where it would be. And that's basically my trade. We'll just see by 8 o'clock today if market does hit these Asia's highs, which I don't think it will hit. I'll say it will. Yeah, I don't think it will hit. Probably hit this, but then there's this fair value gap that it's respecting right now. 30-minute fair value gap. So yeah, that was a trade. We'll see what happens at the end of the day. But yeah, this I screenshotted it. But we're up on the week. Brother. Hold on. Bro, you still can't see it. Get. Oh, yeah. I don't give a fuck. Anyways. Yeah. 2 stopped at break even. Yeah. That was basically it. That's the breakdown of the trade. So we got an S&T. We got a break of structure. Yeah, and a 79 extension. So yeah, that's the trade. We'll just see if we hit this high or this high. But it looks like our bias is correct. We didn't come into our stop loss down here. And if we did find a trade out down here, it would have been crazy. Be hella crazy. I'll still be in that trade. I'll be holding one more position left. But yeah, that's our trade. Okay. Look at this. At least our bias was right. We hit those. We also hit the break even. From now on though, I am not gonna move my stop loss. I'm just gonna set it like that and leave it like that. No more break evens, I reckon. But yeah, I was just about to edit my video and then post it on YouTube, and then yeah, I saw that this hit. I'll take profits. Anyways,